I was growing up, you used to have the old term, busy as a bunch of beavers, and that's what these guys are right here. We're painting this 58 Cadillac, and of course, we've done a bunch of episodes on this, but this keeps evolving and changing as each day goes along. And right here, you saw him wet sanding this door and getting it ready for paint or more primer, depending on how it comes out when we're all finished. But by using the water with that sandpaper, it keeps the sandpaper clean from all of the particles that come out of there. So every time he sands a little bit, he puts a little more water on there. It's kind of like rinsing your dishes, I guess, at home, but it really works well. It's kind of a last step on this. Whereas when you get up here where you see Angel punishing that strong board right there, and John over here working on this, and we're basically getting the rest of the body ready for probably another round of primer before we do the wet sanding to get it ready to go to paint. So working on the top, beating the dust out of the sandpaper, and over here he's working on the ridges. And like I say, it's a bunch of busy beavers right here working this morning, trying to get this car ready to go. I'm Barry Wilson with Wilson Auto Repair.